Money stay on my mind, everything else I just say fuck it. I'm like money, 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 yeah, that's all I think about. Gotta go get that paper now, yeah, I'm on that paper route. Gotta get it by any means, gotta put on for my team. 2019 too, baby, started out from just a dream. The money green, dollar signs, my motivation to get it. 5s, 10s, 20s, 50s, 100s, I'm just counting digits. No, I'm not finished, no, I'm never stopping. No, it's not an option, so listen, just quit the plotting. No, y'all ain't the topic, no, y'all ain't paid. I ain't worried about a hater, this money gets to be made. And you know, like I know, and you know we not alike. Being real don't cost a dime, homie, I'm just living life. Never thought twice, that's my problem, now I'm thinking right. I'm just shooting with the stars, but we call it taking flight. Come on.
I'm just shooting for the stars. I'm grinding cause we got to go hard. Man, I'm on my grind. This for my niggas doing time. I'm grinding cause you know we gotta shine. Man, I'm on my grind. I'm just shooting for the stars. I'm grinding cause we got to go hard. Got to go hard. I'm just shooting for the stars. I'm just shooting for the stars. I'm just shooting for the stars. Grind smart and grind hard. On my knees praying to God that this grind can go far. Yeah, I'm sharp just like a dart. I'm a young nigga at heart, but I'm grown playing my part. Moving up on all the charts. Yeah, it costs to be a boss. Can't be a boss without a loss. Catching plays like Randy Moss. You slip up, you'll get tossed. See my team, we too legit. Yeah, we too legit to quit. Switching lanes, chasing them shits. In the booth, making them hits. But I was dead broke. Ain't nobody wanna fuck with me. Now I'm getting cake. Everybody wanna fuck with me, but luckily I was blind by the light, but now I see. Taking baby steps to the money, cause I gotta eat. Who gon' take care of my little